Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain pearls in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the pearls looks like in Heartopia, and you can use the pearl to craft something. Okay, this is how the pearl looks like, and it occasionally found in Whalefall Canyon can be used to craft furniture. Okay, if you want to collect pearl, guys, you just need to do the ocean cleanup hobby. You can go to the Whalefall Canyon and you're going to do the ocean cleanup. Wait, let me show you the ocean cleanup hobby. This one. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade it. Okay, you can do the ocean cleanup, and if you're lucky, you will get the pearls. And you can also obtain it from the quest. Wait, let me show you the quest. I'm already in the Whalefall Canyon, and you can open up this quest, the Whalefall Canyon quest. You can only open this menu if you're in the Whalefall Canyon. Okay, then you can claim the rewards here, and one of the rewards is pearl. For example, this one, take a photo at Whalefall Canyon, collect 8 wakame, collect 5 sea grapes, and so on. Okay, and when you upgrade your level, you can also get this pearl. Okay guys, and that's how we can collect pearls in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!